Welcome to watch today's fresh home. The Parisian pied-à-terre of an interior designer. It was her dream, and she made it come true. Fawn Galli has put the finishing touches to her colorful apartment in Saint-Germain-des-Prés, after years of renovation. Seduced by the sculpted cornices, honey-colored herringbone parquet floors, and magnificent woodwork, she was keen to preserve as much of the original architecture as possible in her project. With the help of Atelier UNDO, a local architecture firm, she restored and refreshed the existing features, redesigned the layout to add an additional bedroom, and opened up the once stifling spaces to let in the golden light of Paris.